is a concept we have here at Andrew Ingredients, where we will bring new customers and existing customers on site. We will bring them through the process of new product development and also problem solving. That will start from a paper exercise right through to baking product here in the test bakery, evaluating and then progressing one way or the other. At WorkWith, we believe what you put in enriches what you get out. We source all our ingredients from world-leading suppliers. So good ingredients, good knowledge and some skill gives us good product. We deal with all sizes of customers, from large bakeries to small craft bakers. It could be bread, cake, gluten-free, new trends. Over 30 years experience in the bakery industry. I've worked in production and operations and new product development. If they're starting a new process that they don't understand, my experience there can say, well, what happens when this happens, the bottlenecks you may have in the process. That helps them plan out their production, their manufacturing capacity and equipment they may buy. If you come to WorkWith, you can work with me, you can work with Andrew Ingredients, and you can work with the best.